Have a good day everyone. Today we will see how to create annotative multi-leader style in AutoCAD. Okay, let's see. Type mleader style, click go new, start with annotative tick, new style name AML 3mm, continue, go leader format, type straight SP line, I select SP line, color by layer, line type by layer, line width by layer, arrowhead, close field, arrow size 3.00, break size 0.125. okay, go leader structure, maximum leader 0.2, scale annotative. okay, go to content, multi-leader type mtext O block, I select mtext, text style, click here, go new style name 83mm, okay, 83mm, select font name Arial, font style regular, size annotative, click paper text height 3.00, width factor 0.85, apply, close, text style, select 83mm, keep horizontal, text color by layer, text height 3mm, horizontal attachment, left attachment, underline top line, right attachment, underline top line, okay, landing gap 0.12, extend leader to text tick, okay, AML 3mm, set current, close. okay, now go annotate, select layer, text, okay, go multi-leader, house, okay, select multi-leader, go annotation scale, add delete scale, add 1 to 2, 1 to 5, 1 to 10, okay, okay, current view annotation scale 1 to 1, 1 to 2, 1 to 5, select arrow, okay, exit 1 to 10, okay, again 1 to 1, okay, again go multi-leader style, click here, AML 3mm, modify, multi-leader type, block, source block, hexagon, color by layer, scale 0.5, okay, close. okay, let's see multi-leader, okay, okay, multi-leader, okay, then go multi-leader style, select style name, go modify, multi-leader type mtext, leader format, type straight, okay, leader structure, maximum leader point 2, landing setting, automatically include landing, set landing distance 0.12, annotative, okay, close, okay, go multi-leader, leader text, multi-leader, enter. Okay, select leader, stretch, lengthen landing, stretch, add lead, exit, select multi-leaders, go annotation scale, add leader scale, add 1 to 2, okay, now select annotation scale 1 to 2, okay, thanks for watching, have a nice day.